morning and welcome to our Friday celebration assembly. The weather's been a bit interesting again this week, so we wonder how many of you have been tucked up in front of a nice warm fire, keeping warm, while outside we've had rain, snow and all sorts of things. So anyway, today we've got lots of awards to give out, and we're going to let Mrs. Allen start because she's helping me again this week. So over to you, Mrs. Allen.
Thank you. So in my class this week, I would like to give a certificate to Poppy Derbyshire. Poppy, you have been pushing yourself in all of your home learning assignments, and I'm really pleased with all of the things that you're sending to me. So well done for working hard. And also for a certificate for Lavea for working really hard in phonics this week. Well done, girls.
Okay, congratulations you two. Right, up next, Mrs. Hugo's class. And it says here, this young lady has really worked hard with her letter formation. So congratulations to Annabelle Scanlon. And then the other person getting a certificate in Mrs. Hugo's class has written a story about his kitten, which I know Mrs. Allen and Mrs. Clark would love to read because they really love their cats at home. And this award goes to William Reed. So well done, William.
Then Mrs. Crocker's and Mrs. Weeks' class. The first certificate goes to Summer Nicholson for consistently good work at home and at school, and especially for your research that you've done about a musical instrument. Well done, Summer. The second certificate goes to Ashton Agan for being kind and helpful to the other children in school and for sharing your knowledge about the Jewish faith to help the learning of others. Well done, Ashton.
Okay. In Miss Hillary's class, lots of people have been writing stories this week. And in fact, lots of stories across school all week. But in Miss Hillary's class, somebody has written a fantastic story, Not Given Up, even though it was quite a hard task to do. So congratulations to Sadie Whitelaw. And then somebody else has worked extremely hard, doing a fabulous job with their home learning all the time. So well done, Amelia Berry. Congratulations, girls.
Then in Miss Lewis's class, Miss Lewis would like to give a certificate to Sam Holland for working hard on the days that you are at home and also the days that you're in school. Miss Lewis says that, Sam, you have produced a fantastic jungle log and that you are using new vocabulary in your work, so well done. Then also in Miss Lewis's class, Scarlett Souter has a certificate this week for not giving up, picking yourself straight back up when you felt a little demotivated with home learning, and also for continuing to produce some excellent work, Scarlett. So well done, good girl.
Okay, and Miss Lewis has said, could we mention, if we had time, 2 or 3 people in her class who've been doing some great work at home. Ivy and Scarlett have been doing lots of cooking for their families, and Alex has been doing lots of jobs around the house to help out. So well done, you 3. Congratulations. Right, moving on. In Miss Payne's class, Jack Taylor. Jack, you have worked really hard. Your attitude to learning has been fantastic, according to Miss Payne. Not giving up when things have gone. Can't get my words out today. Not giving up when things have been quite tricky. So well done to you, Jack. And then also, Thomas Jennings, you've impressed the whole class with your model train with all the moving parts on it. So well done, Thomas. And then, I said we've been writing lots of stories across school. Eva Bailey, you've written your own version of Harry Potter called Harry Potter and the Stolen Chamber. And that's kept Miss Payne endlessly entertained with Harry's latest adventures. So well done to you.
Then in Mrs. Bradnam and Mrs. Everett's class, the first certificate is for Lottie Wilson for fantastic home learning, especially, Lottie, your video for performing a wonderful poem that you've written. So well done. And the next certificate is for Sam Bell for working really hard on a mixture of home learning and also coming into school, always with a big smile on your face. So well done, Sam. And then Miss Lewis has asked if she can give a certificate to Daniel Robinson, who is in Mrs. Bradnam and Mrs. Everett's class, for some excellent and creative ideas in your jungle log, Daniel. Well done.
Okay, up next, Mrs. Howe's class and Mrs. Mayhew's class. And Amelia Winsper has got an award for really responding positively to the challenges that have been set for her over her work this week. And Neve Taylor for not giving up and really pushing herself with all her work. So well done, girls. You've really impressed your teachers this week.
Then in Mrs. Seal's class, Erin Jackson, you have a certificate this week for always being focused, working hard to achieve your highest potential, helping others and contributing more in class. Your behaviour is really, really good all of the time, and Mrs. Seal says she couldn't be more proud of you. Well done. And then Ophelia, you have a certificate this week for completing many of the themed tasks to a high standard, and that you have been really keen and interested to learn more about what is being asked of you. Mrs. Seal says that your computing instruction sheet was interesting and engaging, and that your geography work was really well presented. So well done.
Okay, and then last but not least, in Mrs. Clark's class, 2 awards, both for story writing. One to Michael Allinson for really trying hard, taking advice and improving his story. And Mrs. Clark loved reading it, Michael. And then somebody else who shared a great story via Teams and working hard at home. So congratulations to Melody Crawley. Okay, so while we're talking about Mrs. Clark's class, our cleaners have said that the children using Mrs. Clark's room this week, so that's the year 5-6s, you get the teddy bear for keeping school nice and clean and tidy. And then somebody at home who has been helping out every day to hoover, wash up, tidy, dust, you name it, she's been doing it without being asked every day. That goes to Lacey Horton, so well done, Lacey. Okay, so well done to everybody who's got awards this week. We hope you keep working hard. We hope you keep trying and helping out at home. And we've got the weekend coming up. Have a bit of a break, have a bit of a rest over the weekend. Come back to do some exciting learning next week. And we're going to leave you with a poem that some of our year 5-6 children put together last week. And they just wanted to share some of their thoughts with you. So have a lovely weekend, and we will see you again next week. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So here we are in week 4 with weekly catch-ups and teams galore. It's been an interesting time so far, if not a little bit bizarre.
It's easy learning from her. Sometimes you can feel alone, but we are here all together. If it's not every day, we are a team and we're here to
Keep
say.
up the hard work, keep working through it. Everything you're doing is helping you. Keep uploading work, get that feedback, keep asking questions, enjoy the chat.
Send in photos of what you're up to. Art PE, making too. Be kind to your parents. They're working hard. It's not always easy in this regard.
Mr. Friends, you're doing great, and when this ends, you're enjoying playing together, hopefully in some warmer weather.
We are so very proud of your resilience. It is nothing short of brilliance. So well done, it's amazing to see. Keep up the great work, Roman B.